In the 21st century, scientists will seek to establish opportunities whereby the technology obtained can be used more quickly, in a wider area, and more practically, and to offer these to the service of all mankind. A great many technological possibilities and means of making our lives easier or providing greater comfort, which were previously seen in science fiction films or were the subject of comic books, have now begun to become a reality in our lives. One of these is the use of computers in the management of big cities. In this way, all forms of infrastructure systems, emergency aid, traffic and town planning, security and health services will be greatly speeded up. For instance, thanks to advanced technology, newly constructed buildings will be capable of withstanding powerful natural disasters. Today, whole cities can be devastated by a single flood or earthquake, but in the Golden Age, very advanced technologies will be employed, both in terms of the materials used and the architecture involved, and the infrastructure of cities and individual buildings will be made able to cope with the worst possible conditions. In this way, safety will be ensured by the use of all the possibilities afforded by technology. In the Golden Age, the abundance, wealth, beauty, and progress that prevail at all moments in life will also raise artistic standards. In this period, people will always encounter beautiful things, and the places they live in, their gardens, homes, workplaces, schools, and theaters will all be beautified. Similarly, works with broad horizons and aesthetical appeal will be produced in such areas of art as painting and music. The most important feature of the Golden Age is that it is a time when the moral values of the Quran are fully lived by. This will allow people to experience the beauties of which God informs His servants in the Quran. In one verse, God reveals that He will cause the faithful to live beautiful lives on earth. What is with you runs out, but what is with God goes on forever. Those who were steadfast will be recompensed according to the best of what they did. Anyone who acts rightly, male or female, being a believer, we will give them a good life, and will recompense them according to the best of what they did. In the Quran, attention is drawn to the fact that those environments in which people live in accordance with God's commandments will turn into a kind of abode of peace. We are given the glad tidings that people who abide by the moral values of the Quran will experience greater beauty on earth and also be rewarded with paradise in the hereafter. God calls to the abode of peace, and He guides whom He wills to a straight path. Those who do good will have the best and more. Neither dust nor debasement will darken their faces. They are the companions of paradise, remaining in it timelessly, forever.